This is the Porsche 2021 channel. This is my 2011 Nitrous piston bike check. You can see here I don't have all the original parts, well not all of them, but I have the seat inside the British flag, black and white. I got it off the Dance Comp. Mostly I got this from Dance Comp. So let's get started. One, I got the blue nibbles, the hollow half length. You can see this, nice. And the crank, nice. That's the, I can't pronounce it right. So I did have a new seat, but that's inside the house. So it's a British flag. So I have the nipples on the front too. I got new grips, couple. Well, this wasn't on there before, but I put it on. And new stem, profile racing. Not bad. I still have the white tan walls, but I'm gonna have to pretty soon replace them. Yeah, a lot. So I'm still working on getting more parts, new pedals. So I will make another video a little bit later, doing something on a bench that's like right in front of my house. So thanks. Talk to you guys later.